Hello and welcome to this writing exercise. So I'm going to do this with you and we're going to take the next 6 minutes to do some writing. As I mentioned, I always like doing it in a very nice book. This is a book I picked up from a local market, very, very nice with nice paper and one of my favorite types of pens. There are obviously many different types of pens on the market, so therefore I'm not just taking one. Okay, so in this practice, it really is this simple. We are taking a subject or a reflection. I will reflect on my last 24 hours and just take some time to write about it. This exercise allows us to really slow down our thoughts, and I also find I actually end up asking more questions that start to link and bring things together. So, we'll keep an eye on the time. Grab yourself a pen, get yourself a pad of paper, and just feel free to write whatever feels most present for you at this moment. I like to write keeping my hand on the paper, which means that I have a constant stream of consciousness. And this is very nice because it stops me from overthinking, from taking on too many blocks. I just write. Great. So, let's go. If you make any mistakes, doesn't matter. No one's going to read it. I make plenty of spelling mistakes. Sometimes I write strange random words. Dropping into this slower thought process allows us to complete our sentences in our head and to really organize. Giving yourself one more minute. Invite you now just to finish up your sentence. You're also welcome to keep on going. Great. So this is what I ended up with. A lot of scribbles. That actually means a lot. It helps me think a little bit clearer, just letting that go out of my head. Feeling whatever spaciousness this creates in the body. I hope it's been helpful in some way. Feel free to do this exercise for longer or shorter, or whatever needs to be done. It can be done at any time of the day. Please feel free to check out all the other videos in this series. Look forward to seeing you there. Take care.